Hi everyone. So I just want to share something which I've been working for the past couple of weeks, and I call it agent compatible websites. Now, what does agent compatible websites mean? It's just plain as it sounds. It's a website which is built and is accessible for agents. Now, what I have opened up here is a browser known as the browser OS, which is similar to GPT Atlas and Perplexity Comet. So what I've done in this browser is that we have an agent which queries the website. Now I have made this agent such that it uses the tools which is provided by the agent compatible websites. Now, how is this different from the conventional websites? Now, conventional websites doesn't give tools, which means that right now I am on the home page. Now my agent has access to different things which it can do in the home page. Say if I ask it to press the consultation button, a normal agent would have to find where the consultation button is and press the button. But as this is an agent compatible website, it has tools. The agent has tools which it can use to press the button. So if I say that you need to press the consultation button, rather than finding the button where it is and performing the click manually, the agent calls the tools, and the website handles the tool call and gives an output. So it's that simple. So what I have opened up here is the browser OS, which comes traditionally packed with the agent. Now, even though this website is agent compatible, this agent cannot use the tools of this website because it doesn't have the tweak. Now, in Chrome browser, I have installed the tweaked version of this agent, which now utilizes what I call known as the website MCP tools to perform action. So let's see a side-by-side comparison on how these two different agents work. Now I have integrated this agent with Gemini and this agent also with Gemini. So let's see how the conventional browsers work. Conventional agents works with an agentic website or a normal website. It did a quite amount of reasoning, as you can see, a lot of reasoning. And it needs to understand the DOM context and where to do it, and also it needs to take the screenshot of the website when it does stuff. So I think that's a tad bit tedious. That's why I tweaked the agent to use the tools which the website by default provides. So I have typed out the same query which I gave to the conventional browser OS, which doesn't use the tools to perform actions. So I have explicitly told to use the website MCP tools to perform the actions. So as you can see, it uses the MCP tools to navigate to the consultation page and fills up the form which is required. And that's it. It doesn't need to identify where each input field is and manually query everything. So as you can see, there is a message which says that the consultation form is populated by the agent, which I've written into this website to detect if the form is being filled by the agent or a user. So from this demo, what I wanted to show is that we should also focus on building websites which are accessible by agents as well as accessible by humans, because we are entering in this AI space where we are trying to make this AI do stuff similarly how a human does navigates or interacts with the website. I feel is a bit odd. While we know that agents are better for tool calls rather than simulating how a human interacts with the website. So I thought, why not build a website which hosts the tools, which provides the tools for LLMs to perform actions. So this was a really great demo, which showed that LLMs can perform actions faster by using the tool calls rather than performing actions like a human. So thank you for watching.